Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hafisa with NIM 23 TKM 059. I will present my research seminar and tonight. The effect of bentonite adsorbent mass and washing time on the yield value in the biodiesel purification process with the dry washing method. Let's get straight to the point. The research result then I obtained are as listed in the table next to the adsorbent mass variable of 5, 6, and 7 grams with a washing time of 25, 30, 35, and 40 minutes respectively. Okay, next, by looking at the graph next to the point. In figure 4.1, it can be seen that with a 5 gram adsorbent mass at washing time of 25 minutes, a yield of 11,9370% was obtained. The yield then increases at the 30 and 35 minutes to 15,3553% and 27,0249% respectively. This increase was due to the longer washing time, which allowed more opportunities for the high yield. However, at the 40-minute the biodiesel yield decreased to 25,8622%, which was caused by the prolonged contact time between the biodiesel and the bentonite, leading to sediment formation that reduced the amount of product obtained. Next, for the 6 gram adsorbent variation, a yield of 27,8878% was achieved at the 45 minutes, which then increases to 35,1124 at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This indicates that 6 grams of bentonite was effective in absorbing impurities during this period, leading to be a heavy yield. However, at the 35 minutes, the biodiesel yield dropped significantly to 22,3252%, which was due to the return of instability in the absorption capacity between the bentonite adsorbent and the biodiesel. At the 40 minutes, the yield increased again to 25,6907%, indicating that sediment formation occurred at the time. Next, with 7 gram adsorbent mass, a yield of 34,3314% was achieved at the 25 minutes, followed by a decrease to 28,9736% at the 30 minutes, indicating that the washing process was less optimal at this adsorbent mass. The yield then rose to 31,997% at the 35 minutes due to adjustments in the absorption process during the washing. However, a sharp decline in yield occurred again at the 40 minutes due to ruined sediment formation. Okay, next, the mass of bentonite adsorbent significantly infects the biodiesel purification result in the dry washing process. At its direct effect, the capacity to adsorbent impurities and the effectiveness of the purification based On the overall result, the best outcome was obtained with at a 6 gram absorbent mass and washing time of 30 minutes, resulting in a final yield of 35,1124%. This support that the early stating that the use of bentonite adsorbent in the washing process achieves the best biodiesel quality out of mass of 16. Meanwhile, washing time also greatly affects the purification result of biodiesel using bentonite adsorbent in the dry washing process, as is directly related to daring of international bit of interaction between the adsorbent and the contained in the biodiesel. The most activate washing time is at the 30 minutes. This is because at the 25 minutes the contain between the biodiesel and between was too short for optimal interaction and containment removal. Of the other hand, at then 35 and above 40 minutes and contain times was too long, resulting in a vessel acceleration. By Geraldi Georgius Sempi. In addition to the effects adsorbent, mass and washing time, pH and density also influence the quality. The resulting biodiesel based on table 4.1 it can be seen that the pH values of the biodiesel from the first to the last sample do not vary significantly. This aligns with the theory stating that the acceptable pH range for biodiesel is low or 14. However, the lower the pH of the biodiesel product, the higher the fatty acid content by Megawati et al. 2022. The measured biodiesel density also closely match the theoretical standard set by the Indonesian National Standard (SNI) in 2016, which is 850 or 850 kg per meter cubic, or equivalent to 0,85 or 0,89 gram per milliliter. At the measurement temperature of 40 derajat Celsius, the observer's result may deviate slightly because the temperature used during density measure exceeded the standard limit. Therefore, it can be concluded that the higher temperature during density measure, the lower the resulting density value. Okay, next, conclusion. This study showed that the mass of bentonite adsorbent and washing time affected the biodiesel yield. The highest yield was 35,1124% and was obtained with an adsorbent mass variation of 6 gram with a washing time of 30 minutes. That's the video of my seminar presentation. Greeting to all of us. Happy watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.